Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will be doing DIY hair color. This is my first time to color my hair, so this is just an experiment. And supposedly, I will go to salon, but then I decided, or I was suggested na mag-DIY na lang ako para mas makamura. Kasi sa haba ng buhok ko, it will range 800 to color this. So, para mas makatipid, mag-DIY na lang ako. And nag-search ako sa YouTube ng kung paano, and nakita ko yung mga product na ginamit nila, and I want to try this new Garnier Color Naturals. Let's see kung effective siya and if mag-color yung hair ko. Sana hindi masira. Let's open. Ayan guys, meron na siyang colorant at saka developer. So, we will just mix this later. Ang ginamit ko is, I mixed this to golden brown and tapos is caramel brown. Akala ko magkapareha yung nakuha ko, pero kamali pala. I will be using a cover. Floss. Parang mas bet ko magkamay. Nabuang nako. Sagod ko. Naanta ako ba'y wala na ano. I will wait for 30 minutes and let's see the results. Gamit ko is 2 packs or 2 sets, but di ko siya naubos. Meron pang natira, medyo konti na lang. Is lang yung buhok ko, and I will wait for 30 minutes. Tada! Ayan guys, after 30 minutes and then I rinse it. Tapos ito na yung result. I don't know if nakita niyo yung resulta, but yeah, this is it. Medyo brown lang siya, pero hindi siya ganun ka-brown. If you want something lighter than this, so siguro mag-add pa kayo ng more. Kasi yung pinili ko is, dalawa siya na magkaibang kulay na inimix ko. So, dark brown at saka caramel brown. Ayun. So, ito lang yung resulta. So, hindi lang siya masyadong blonde. So, low-key color. Ganun. Thank you!